Have you ever struggled to glue down a simple piece of unglued sole with super glue at home? The trick is, grab a little bit of sandpaper and you just need to get rid of a bit of the old rubbish that's in there. Sometimes this is not even needed. Blow the dust out. Put some safety goggles on. I can't because I can't see with the camera. I'm going to put it this way in case it flicks. It's going to go towards you guys. Run a very nice thin bead of super glue all the way to the edge. So it goes all the way there. Tilt it back so if it runs, it won't run out that side. Always have a rag handy. And then just close that up and push it really hard for about 7 seconds or so. And let it off. And when you're wiping the glue off, just do it in one action, otherwise you're going to glue your rag to it. Now that's glued up. It does have a little lip because this rubber's spread out, and you could get yourself a little knife or a bit of sandpaper. Just trim those little bits off, get your sandpaper and sand it up, and then a bit of polish and it'll be good as gold. Obviously what we're going to do, take the sole off properly, take all that old sole off and replace that, and give it a good tidy up all around. Needs a bit of glue in there as well.